This is our left leg and this is our right leg. Just flip them upside down. Take this footer part, make sure these are upside. There are screws labeled M. Take those screws. And take your right leg, do the same, make sure this is up. Since I don't have the second person, I'm just leaving this and taking this part, and there is a section on the back side where this screws goes, so we need to place this. Take the screws that are labeled as N, we need 2 of them. Placing this rod, don't try to put this one, they clearly mention this part is up, which means that it needs to rotate this way. Don't get confused, I said this is the left leg and this is the right leg. This is not for me because I am on the back side. Mostly we will be on the front side of the table, so it will be on from this side. So it's the left one and this is the right one. Tighten the screws well. Okay, next step is to add the connector. So if you try putting the first piece this side and try to put it here, it doesn't work. So make sure to insert here, push it inside and then connect here and leave it. So the spring will push the connector towards the left. So right now the connector has connected. So our base is ready. Our next step is to have the table rest, like the parts where the table will rest. Please make sure this holes part will come this side like this, and then you will have screws here. Take screws, there are only 2 screws needed right now. Same thing on the other side. Next step is to install this. So there are 2 clips here, so all you need to do is attach this one here, so the cable management will be easy. Our next step is to connect the power cables. So here is the control panel and it has the clip here, and you make sure to lock it here on the right side. Make sure you lock it well. And there is another part where the power supply is. This gets connected to the adapter. Insert, then lock it. Cable, the cable is lengthy. This part goes into the socket and this gets connected to this. For now, let me connect this one to the power supply so that I can bring the table up for the video purpose. You can set your memory heights like with 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the moment you hold it up, it's just going up. Even when you are placing this one, you guys can see there are 2 holes on both sides. This needs to be on the front side because your control panel will get attached here. So make sure you put this one on the front. Align with the screw holes and use the same screws that labeled N and attach it on the 4 sides. These are again for the cable management, I guess. So just you need to insert here. Alright, our final step is to connect this control panel here. To fix the screws, they have not given the screwdriver, so you have your own. By the way, you can adjust the you can fix your control panel either on the right, on the left, or on the right. So I prefer on the right, so if you want to keep it on the left, you can do that too. Here is the control panel, and you can use the up arrow to move up and the down arrow to move it down, and also you can adjust memory height. So I'll move it to 75, and I'll select 3 because I already have 1 and 2. Hold the button until you hear the beep sound, and then it's done. Even if you move it to any other, then hit the 3 couple of times, then done. It will take you there. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.